here's an example of an all-on-4 dental implant bridge. Actually, I guess we would call this maybe an all-on-5 dental implant bridge. So basically this is a bridge which is replacing all of the patient's lower teeth, and basically it's screwed into a connector to the implants with these tiny little screws that fit into these tiny little holes. So basically this is how the bridge teeth look. And again, it basically connects into these housings that are placed over the implants, and that acts as our connector to connect the implants to this bridge. And again, it's screwed into place, so it's a permanent and fixed into place option for patients who are missing teeth. And we generally use all-on-4 or all-on-5 or all-on-6 dental implants. Here's the upper teeth. For patients who have had a history of teeth that are breaking down, they're missing probably several of their teeth, and they're just at a point where, you know, the final solution is to remove the remaining teeth and give them a good permanent option to replace their teeth. And it ends up working out really well for our patients. They end up getting a brand new smile. They end up replacing, you know, a lot of their broken or missing teeth, and basically just having a better quality of life with being able to chew and eat the foods that they like, not having to take teeth out, not having missing teeth in their smile, no longer having infected teeth or broken teeth or recurrent problems. So yeah, the patients we end up helping out with these all-on-4, all-on-5 dental implant cases definitely see a dramatic improvement in their quality of life, as well as the way their smile looks.